Comfy?
Quite.
Anything I can get for you? Juice, coffee, rack of lamb?
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing rack of lamb, potatoes, and grilled tomato with feta cheese. We're going to start off with a rack of lamb. And we're going to take our knife and cut in between each bone all the way down to separate the rack. Be careful. But once we get all these separated, then we're going to mix up a quick marinade. And we're going to put these in a Ziploc bag and in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours to really get that flavor into the meat. So what we're going to start up with is about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, either chopped or you can use the paste that I like to use, and a tablespoon or 2 of parsley, fresh or dry, it doesn't matter. We'll whisk it up real good, and then we're going to put all of our lamb chops into the bowl. Make sure that they're all coated nicely before we put them into a Ziploc bag and send them into the refrigerator. And while I'm finishing up getting all these guys nice and coated, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment if you can. It really helps. And I hope you're enjoying these videos as much as I am making them. And I hope you're becoming a better cook. Alright, we got them all in a Ziploc bag. We're going to put these in the refrigerator, like I said, for about 4 or 5 hours. Let that flavor get into the meat. Now I've got 1 pound of small golden potatoes. I'm going to add about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic, 1 tablespoon of parsley, and a few dashes of salt and pepper. And I'm going to mix these up real good with all those ingredients. And then we're going to wrap it, excuse me, we're going to wrap it real tight in some aluminum foil. And we're going to put these into the oven at 350 for about an hour. Now we're going outside to the grill. If you don't have a grill, you can do this in a cast iron skillet, but the grill is much better. Gives it better flavor. Got the grill on, and we're going to place our pork chops. We're going to place our lamb chops onto the grill, and we're going to cook these for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. And I've also got 2 large tomatoes that I've coated with olive oil and salt, pepper, and oregano that I'm going to also put on the grill. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, when they got that nice color on them, we're going to flip them over. And then we're going to flip our tomatoes. That's nice. Those marks are great. And then we'll put some feta cheese on top of those tomatoes. And let these lamb chops finish up. Yeah, that's perfect. Now we're going to remove everything and move back into the house, where I'm going to take my cast iron skillet, put it on medium heat with a little bit of oil in it. And I'm going to take those potatoes that we had in the oven out of the oven. And we're going to finish up by placing the potatoes in the hot oil. And then I have a potato masher, and I'm gently just going to press them down. Just like that. Not too hard. You want to try to get them to stay in shape. And then we're going to cook those for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Get a nice little crust on each side. And then once we remove them, the last step is we're going to hit them with some lemon juice. And you're ready to serve. And you've got a delicious rack of lamb, Greek-style potatoes, and tomatoes with feta cheese meal. It's a real nice meal to serve to somebody. I think you'll like these. If you like lamb, if you've never had lamb, give this a shot. It's a very tasty meat. All right, thank you for watching. Come back soon.